It's a little bright out here. Hey guys, today we're going to be harvesting some sweet potatoes. I love harvesting any kind of potato because it's like going on a treasure hunt. You look on the top and you can't tell what's going to be below until you start digging down in there to find out. So let me show you. Here is my sweet potato vine, and you can see that it's really starting to die away. Even though I suspect that this intense heat has probably played a part in that, I still think they are probably ready to harvest. At least I think they are. So we're going to find out today. So we're going to be harvesting some sweet potatoes, y'all. Let's go. So I haven't watered this for a few days, hoping that it would be easier to harvest. And I can only find one glove. Looky there. Wow. That's the thing about sweet potatoes is you never know what shape you may get. Wow. Round around each other. How did I cut that? Well, that's it. Not a bad harvest. Could have stayed a little longer, it looks like. Look at all of the crazy shapes, though. Sweet potatoes are famous for making odd shapes. But I think some of these may even be odd for a sweet potato. I don't know. Some people say that when potatoes are weird, it's because of inconsistent watering. So I guess that could be it. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to eat them regardless. Thank you all for joining me on this potato treasure hunt. I hope you all have a fabulous day. God bless you.